My good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your scream, I don't come your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things they go on for inside the nation, Nigeria. The koko now be say, one former United States government official, don't come outside now, come criticize Finland, say they arrest Oga Simon Ekpa. And this man, where they go by the name Simon Ekpa, so in a countryman, but in they live for inside Finland, in an activist and a leader of the Biafran independence movement. So writing on the American Enterprise Institute website, Michael Rubin, will be former Pentagon official, he can accuse Finland of undermining their reputation as a global defender of human rights as they go gbab Oga Simon Ekpa based on which they describe as spurious charges from the Nigerian government. Now sharply, Emma good people, make a yarn you legit. Now say this man wey dey go by the name Simon Ekpa, he na self-proclaimed Prime Minister of Biafra in exile. Finland police dem gbab am inside last week over the allegations of inciting violence, causing wahala for inside the southeastern region of we nation Nigeria through his activities for inside social media. Finland authorities last gonna defend the move. They gonna yarn about their responsibility to address concerns of violence wey dey linked to individuals wey dey operate within their borders. However, my good people, the former United States official can dey argue say the actions of Finland is very much inadvertently supported by the Nigerian suppression against Igbo people and other marginalized groups where they advocate for self-determination. Wetin this man now they try yarn be say Finland now don't join body with our nation Nigeria to dey suppress or to dey oppress any Igbo person or any marginalized group where they advocate for freedom, where they advocate for self-determination. And according to the US official, he said this now no be just about Simon Ekpa. The matter is no end there at all. It's about Finland allowing their judicial system to be weaponized by regimes with questionable human rights record. This US-based official now they try yarn say Finland did not try at all. Upon how they big rich, upon how they buga as one of the nations where they defend human rights. They don't allow themselves to be used by our nation Nigeria. We know they respect human rights. We know they respect rule of law. We know they respect democracy. However, my good people, the supporters of Simon Ekpa, they don't vow to continue their push for Biafran independence. They don't vow say they go continue to do the needful to make sure say Biafra gets their freedom. They can urge international bodies, they can yarn, they give international communities. So when they put body for this matter kwanu to ensure their immediate release, to ensure the freedom of the indigenous people of Biafra. And no be lie, my good people. You know say as Finland authorities now go arrest Oga Simon Ekpa, they don't make country people, Nigerians where they stay for inside Finland, where they stay for inside the European country, they no can do alright. They are not happy at all. Reports now dey ground say many Nigerians where they for inside Finland, they reluctant to comment. They no want put body on the situation due to say they fear wetin the followers of Simon Ekpa go fit do. And according to the reports, they don't somehow accuse give some kind person, say now then they give information about the activities of Simon Ekpa to the Finland authorities. And now those people now they somehow accuse give, they are now facing threats. Like one person where they accuse now is already being targeted. They don't find that person. This now they happen even before they been gbab Oga Simon Ekpa. So imagine if they can last put Simon Ekpa for prison. The followers of Simon Ekpa, they fit do the undoable. These men now, they are extremely dangerous. This now how the reports they come our table, and no end there, my good people. We can still receive another information from another country person we no want make we mention in name. He can describe the growing tensions among Nigerians who live for inside Finland. He can yarn say people they fear they fear to talk about Simon Ekpa matter because his supporters they feel retaliate at any time, and then believe very well say the supporters of Simon Ekpa go come for anybody wey criticize their leader. And like this now, the countrymen wey dey for inside Finland, they dey reason whether they go prioritize their personal safety. They dey reason whether they go put themselves first or they go drop their point of view about the arrest of Simon Ekpa give Finland authorities, knowing fully well say that their action fit get big consequence wey last their head no go fit carry. Now it's very much unclear if all these reports now they just dey make am up to tarnish the image of Oga Simon Ekpa abi na legit intel. But anyhow the koko be for body my good people, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, the Council of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra in the go by the name Ifeanyi Ejiofor. He now don react to the arrest of Simon Ekpa, will be the factional leader of the proscribed group. Oga Ifeanyi come dey yarn for inside one statement wey he drop on Monday, will be the 25th day of November for inside this year 2024. And for inside that statement, he come dey call for the restoration of peace in the Southeast group. He come dey call on all those people now wey dey involved in the mass RIP of country people for inside the Southeast region, and people wey dey sponsor the Jaguda men wey dey give mass RIP. So make dem comot body from those kind levels, so make dem comot body from fanning the embers of violence for inside Southeast. Make dem comot body from wahala. And sake of say Igbo people want marginalization, Igbo people want their freedom, that suppose be the number one reason why they gats maintain peace and unity. So as they give the countrymen charge, so make them reject violence, make them reject fraud, make them reject criminality and abuse as a strategy. The IPOB lawyer now consider the yarn say those people now where they cling to the baseless December declaration, those people don't get hope, say things and things go happen for inside the month of December. Sorry to burst their bubble. Say December go come and it go without any levels happening. According to how he tell yarn and Emma good people, he say he don't always dey yarn say lie, deceit, fraud, treachery and criminality, all of them get expiring dates. When the truth reach in breaking point, it go dey inevitable. Last it must come. Game over now to those people they think say things and things go happen for inside the month of December. Say they go make some kind declaration. They should be rest assured. Say December go come and last December go without anything happening. Then Oga Ifeanyi will be the lawyer of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu consider the summer warning they give Igbo people, so they ensure say they are always self-aware and make them resist the moves of any serial fraudster where they plan to mislead them, where they plan to put them for inside one chance, where they plan to raise their hopes up where nothing go happen last. All these Emma good people are the things and things where Oga Ifeanyi talk concerning the arrest of Simon Ekpa. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free to make it drop am inside our comment section. This na the information wey I say make I share give the general public. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give on a legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside the nation Nigeria. So if you like this information and you would like to receive more like this, try make you subscribe to the channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as they bring the news they come, then you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And they come your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.